So today I'll talk about a Chevy or GMC with the P0332 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P0332 code? Well, it's a knock sensor 2 circuit low bank 2. And what does this mean? Well, there's knock sensors located on the engine, and they basically can adjust the timing when the engine has a vibration or a knock inside of it. Because if the timing gets a little bit off, it can cause like a vibration or a pinging noise or something like that. And these knock sensors are going to hear that, and they're going to send that information back to the computer, and the computer can adjust the timing until the knock goes away. And for some reason, the computer's seen a problem with this, so it's going to have to be troubleshooted. Know why? And V6 and V8 engines are going to have 2 banks. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder. So if you find the number 1 cylinder, that's going to be bank 1, and then the opposite of that is going to be bank 2. And so what are some possible causes of a P0332 code? Well, a bad knock sensor is a very common problem with this code. They're going to be located up underneath the intake manifold. There's going to be 2 of them. You're going to have bank 1 knock sensor, which will be towards the front, and then you're going to have bank 2 knock sensor, which will be towards the back. This bank 2 knock sensor is the one the computer's seen a problem with. But usually if there's a problem with the bank 2 knock sensor, then you're going to want to also change out the bank 1 sensor. They're going to be located underneath these little rubber gasket type lids on top of the engine block. And you basically take off the covers and then you just take them out and you just put new ones in. The hardest part on this job is you have to take the whole intake manifold off to get to them. One thing to keep in mind that if there's anything wrong with the wiring going to those sensors, then it's going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. So definitely keep that in mind. And another possible cause of this code is that there's some kind of mechanical issue going on with the engine. Usually it's something affecting the timing, like the timing belt slipped a notch, or possibly a bad cam sensor or crank sensor or something like that. They might be starting to fail. Usually when that happens, you're going to get other codes. So if you are getting other codes, be sure to pay attention to that. But the next thing that could cause this problem is there's some kind of mechanical problem with the engine. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Chevy or GMC with the P0332 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.